What is up, everybody? Bass Presidente here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, give this video a thumbs up. So today, we get the fly rod out with us today. I'm gonna throw the fly and we're gonna see what's gonna bite, so stay tuned. There we go. Beautiful. Nice bluegill. There's one. Oh. Oh. There you go. There we go. Another baby there. There you go. And we got a fish. Oh, crap. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Made you catch a few bluegill on the fly. It was actually my first time fly fishing in several months, so it was nice to be able to whip out the fly rod and get back in the swing. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.